All right, guys. Hello and welcome to Revved Up With Mike. Today, it's an exciting day for me. I feel like a little kid because this should be my Hayabusa Fairings. Now, it should be in copper and silver. That's the color I always wanted. If you guys don't know it, I traded my VFR 800 for a 2004 first gen Hayabusa. And it was, well, knocked over on one side. Laid down, actually, I should say. A slow-moving laydown by the previous owner. So I wanted to dress it up, fix all the issues, and put new fairings on it. Now, I must say that this box is quite smaller than I expected. When I put new fairings on my VFR 800, I want to go back and check out that video, the box was much larger, and I can't imagine how they fit Hayabusa fairings in this box when my VFR fairings, well, we're smaller. Let's check this thing out though, because I'm really excited. I want to get these on. I want to see the quality. My VFR fairings were really good quality. They were nice. Different company. Hopefully it's everything that I want. So let's get into this because I don't want to waste any time. And if this is not the copper and silver, I will cry. So first thing I'm going to notice right off the bat, the heat shielding. Very good quality. This isn't the cheap heat shielding. This is actually really good heat shielding to go on the fairings. What came with the VFR was actually pretty cheap stuff. This is actually really heavy duty, so that's cool. The bolt kit is a nice bolt kit. Let me show you. The other ones came kind of loose and in a baggie. This is actually some nice bolts that are all separated with all of the fasteners. So far, so good. That's an indication on how this is going to be. Looks like it's packaged decently, nice and tight. They must have this down to the science. Windscreen. Yes. What I like about these aftermarket companies, I'm going to leave a link to this seller. This is from eBay. I believe they're out of stock right now, but you might want to contact them just in case. I'm sure they can get them out of China. But what's really nice is the windscreens that they give you, and this was the same with the VFR also, were better quality than like a zero gravity. This is no exception. It's actually a double bubble. Very cool. Kind of even like the smoked instead of the black, but it is what it is. This is so exciting. Okay, so this is the kind of like the belly pan for the back, something that is not on my Hayabusa at all. So that's, wow. This is not cheap plastic. That's ABS. Flexible ABS. Very nice. Okay. This is going to go to, yes, the seat cowl. Okay, the VFR fairing was really nice. So far, the plastic's better on these, but we have to see more. So we have all of our little pieces here. Bear with me. I'm excited. But I don't want to skimp out. I'm going to check out all these pieces. Let me put on my skepticals. Let's check out all these pieces. Wow. These are actually comparable to the OEM. Wow. Nice. Heavy. It's a heavy box. ZXMT. This is the same company as the VFR fairings. Huh. Same company, so I want to pull this stuff out kind of carefully. I've got pieces in here that I didn't plan on changing. What? Since the quality is so far so good, we may change them all out. Yeah, this is the front shroud. Now my bike's an anniversary bike. It was in red. I know, guys, you want to see what's going on. I do. Here it is. Let's get to the fender. Hopefully nothing is broken. Don't want to cross my fingers. Nothing is broken. So it's copper. She's copper. Wow, tell the feel of this stuff is amazing. Look at this. This is impressive. This is impressive paint. So I'm in kind of a dark room right now, but look at, wow. I'm not seeing any blemishes in this paint. Super nice. Wow, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's set this stuff to the side as I do this. I'm getting more and more excited because it's freaking awesome. We all know, we'll get these plastic pieces out of the way, set these over behind me. Figure out what everything was. These are the sides, the inners to the fairings, yes. All really good quality. Nothing misshapen so far either. This is our around our dashboard. Super nice. I know you guys want to see the bread and butter in here, but I gotta pull it out in kind of a fashion where I'm not breaking or ruining anything. So here's our tail piece, but I believe there's something else in here too. Ooh, here's our seat cowl. Yeah, they pack this thing in there. They know how to pack these. Here's our seat cowl. Our solo seat, as Suzuki called it back in the day. Flawless. Absolutely flawless. Really quality. Nice. Heavy. Okay. What do we got here? I believe, yes, this is the, goes under the front fairing. Underneath. Very cool. We're getting there, guys. Here's the tail section. Curious about this tail section, if it's going to have markings on it. That's what I requested them. They said it come with some. So it is what it is, and if I have to put some on myself, I do. Whatever. Oh, baby. Guess what? It does have them. It has the GSXR, or GSX1300R markings on the tail section. Oh my God. So nice. Am I seeing, is there any chips or any, get this up to the camera there so you guys can see this. You ready? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the paint on this thing. And what's nice, all the decals are cleared in. Wow. This is even better than the VFRs. Super nice and clean and smooth. We'll buff it out also before we put it on, of course. Let's set that there. Okay. So, is there anything in here? I don't know if this is just padding or what. I'm not sure. I'm going to cut it open and see, though. So, about something. Oh, this is our... They've included the mount for your solo seat. Very cool. Very cool. We'll have to put that together. And what is next? Oh, here is our side thing. Some goodies in here too, guys. See some goodies in here. This is what we really came for, right? This is going to be the left side of the bike. You guys can see it before me. I can't get over the weight of this stuff. Oh no, this is the right side of the bike. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Okay, I'm going to look at it now. Oh, wow. Just incredible. Let me get you over here. These decals just pop. Look at that. Incredible. I have to say that this is one of the best, flexible too, very flexible, heavy, one of the best aftermarket fairing kits that I have ever seen. Wow. So back in the day, we used to put these on and cross our fingers and hope for the best. Back in when I had my RC51. Okay, tank cover. That's right. We got a tank cover in here. And let's, wow. So you guys know the last one on the VFR, the tank cover had a crack in it, and I had to get a new tank cover. This, I'm going to tell you, is a lot heavier plastic than this is a lot better ABS. The other one was nice, I'm not going to lie. It was, oh my God. So the only thing they did not do is put the Suzuki on the tank cover, which is fine. we'll get that. We'll order the proper ones up right from Suzuki and put that on there. Once again, paint is impeccable. Zero flaw. There's zero flaws on this bike so far. And the paint is, when I say impeccable, look at this, guys. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking for blemishes or runs. I see none anywheres. This is great. Okay. So we got to order one decal so far, Suzuki. Okay, let's get down here. We have that house. Hope the cowl is in good shape. Let's to this other side. So far, so good. So far, so good. We're going to put these on soon. I got my bike all tore apart, detailed, every nook and cranny. Oil change. All the fluids flushed with synthetic. Brake fluid, clutch fluids. Flush the radiator. Everything. This bike's totally tuned up. New plugs. Ready to rock and roll. And running like a champ. We found our first flaw. I take that back. It's not a flaw. Ah, it's not a flaw at all. It was just a smudge. Wow. Oh, no, I did. There's one flaw. I'm going to show it to you. However, I got to be honest. You probably might not even be able to see it here. Let me get you in the camera. Right. I mean, you got to look. I'm going to get you close. Right there. That is it. Beautiful. This is the smudges I was talking about. See these? They look like little wet, where they wet sanded it. So this has been wet sanded and buffed. Excellent job. Most impressive. If you hear something going in the background, they got my robot vacuum going. So they give us a tank protector. Carbon fiber weave. Decent. Not crazy good, but decent now. Here we go. This is the nose piece. This is the one we always worry about being broken. When it comes anything else in this box, no. But I'm going to actually use this box, guys, for a second. Yes. So the mesh is in the ram there. So it did do that. The upper dash is attached to this. So we don't have to transfer any of that. Let's make this. Oh, ho, 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 mamma mia. Oh, guys. Incredible. It's flawless. Incredible. Incredible. This paint is incredible. Look at this beautiful. That's beautiful, right? Okay, I'm going to lay this all out so you can get a good look at it, and then when we come back in our next video, we will be installing this stuff. Stay right there. I'll get you another peek at this stuff. Okay, we're back. Now, I want to stress to you guys the quality, like the feel and weight of this stuff. This is so much better than anything I am used to dealing with in aftermarket. So we have one blemish on the whole bike that you're honestly not going to notice, and I probably can even do a little bit of color sanding and buff that out. However, look at the component. Look what you get. So you get the cowl. It's painted beautifully, right? Now we got the lights are making this copper pop really good. We got a tinted black windscreen, double bubble. We have a tank cover. We have our front fender. These amazing side fairings. We have the solo seat, the tail section. And all the parts for the dash that go around the dash. We have the underbelly. We have all the mounting hardware for the solo seat. We have a really nice bolt kit. They even throw in a tank protector. Every piece that you need and quality heat shielding, heavy heat shielding. This is a very, very nice kit. Now, this come in at this is under $500 on eBay. I'm going to leave a link to this seller. Normally I wouldn't do that. Something off of eBay, but I'm impressed. I am very, very impressed. Is this correct to the original color? Well, it's hard to tell right now in this light. I got fluorescence kicking, but the copper that they sent is absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go out. We're gonna start putting this together, get this on this bike because I am ready to rock and roll on this thing. And if you guys don't know, the '99 Hayabusa was my all-time favorite Hayabusa, the first gen 99. The colors just did it for me. Back in 99, I wanted one really bad. I never had one. And I can't find one really. You don't pay a fortune for, so I said, let's take the 2004, put the colors I want on it, get rid of the restrictions in the ECU eventually here, and have a really cool tribute to that 99, if that makes any sense to you guys. So I'm gonna have to track down the Suzuki decals for the tank, to Suzuki up front here, and maybe some little odds and ends here and there, but I think it's gonna work out very, very well. All right, guys, thanks for watching Revved Up with Mike. Revved Up with Mike. Sorry, I'm still excited. Hit that like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can come back and see this stuff mounted on this bike. How cool is this, guys? I'll leave a link to the seller below as well as put it on the screen. And I'm telling you what, you won't be disappointed with this fairing kit, at least right now. Let's see how it mounts up, how it fits. I have a feeling if they took the time to make it this good, that it's gonna mount up good. This is not cheap, breakable, shitty plastic. This is actually heavy quality plastic. Very cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.